3D technologies help us to doing a lot of things and save time and save the money. Okay, so next step, I use this last to modify the footbed for you. Okay, so now I input the new last to AutoCAD mesh mix to modify of last between the footbeds of to keep the smoothly. Now I have to modify of the last between capsule edge to smoothly. We have to a little bit more patient, slowly, one by one. But first step, we have you see the mesh is uniform. So first step, we keep that smoothly and reduce the triangles and remesh. Okay, few steps. So you see it's look like it's more better, right? Done. And then so here little bit and smoothly. So we once again okay, not nice, huh? So I try a little bit more. Okay, remesh. Okay, and smoothly. Yeah, you see? You see? Hungry. Okay. Done. Yes. Good. Okay, inside. Delete. Free. Okay. We have a little bit more patience because a little bit to do. So still something you have the more patience to modify one by one, but that is more easy than you modify by your hand and tooling. Do you agree? Yes or no? Yeah. Okay. Good. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Done. Alright? Done. Okay? So then you generally you get the new last, and this new last with footbed, the capsule allowance. You see the capsule allowance. Okay, very interesting, right? Okay, I've said done. Okay, and then so I input the last without also for your review. Okay. Okay. Now I export the OBJ. Export the last. Okay. Export the last. Okay. You can see both how it's different, right? Okay, you can see the back part. You see? The length is same, 280. The last height is 119. 119, That is including the capsule thickness. Once again, see, 117. But only 2 mil difference. Little bit, okay. This one with the capsule is the wire is 89.56. And audio last is 89.41, 1 mil difference. That is a net loss. Okay, and this and the right side that is including the footbed. So that's why we can check in here once, can see how it's different. Okay, anyways, if you're happy my 3D model and you want to know more about 3D technology used in Fusion 360 and Mesh Mixer and how to modify quickly and easy, PM to me and send the email to me also. Okay, so if you have any questions, please also ask me and let me know. So if I'm doing not well, you please give me advice and let me to improve myself. Okay, Guys, see you next time. Bye bye.